SalesEye is a sales intelligence and coaching platform. We blend business intelligence with CRM to give salespeople out on the street the best conversation they can have in front of their prospects.
It was designed to be mobile first, something that can work on your mobile phone or your tablet, and SalesEye was designed specifically for that purpose, to be a tool for outside sales reps.
So what SalesEye does is bridges the gap between your salespeople and your data and essentially tells them exactly what they need to know before they walk in the door. So identifying if customers typically buy and stop buying, potential cross-sells or margin alerts are really differentiators in what we bring to the table where traditional CRMs maybe miss the boat.
We live with the variance reporting. That report is so powerful, and just seeing where customers are up, where they're down. You can throw that question, and man, I'm looking at your numbers and you guys are down. You throw the exact dollar amount that they're down in the category, and they're like, how do you have all this information on hand so quickly?
So every single one of our customers, whether they're a distributor, a wholesaler, or manufacturer, move lots of products.
So we're not working with a service provider, we're not working with a bank down the street. We only work with companies that sell a lot of products to a lot of different customers.
So one of the biggest pieces that we use was Snapshots. It looks like the salesperson took weeks to compile the information. The feedback from customers has been, wow, nobody's ever done this with me before, and not in this industry. So that has given us something that the competition doesn't have. Our folks look like they've spent weeks compiling this information that they have in 5 minutes.
Our simplicity of data integration is really what makes us unique in the marketplace.
So a typical implementation only takes a couple of weeks. When the data is sent to us, we train you, we show you how to use it, you're up making money within a couple of weeks.
You know, our IT, we have a small IT team, and they were able to turn it over in a day. By the next day, we were able to look at what they had already done to see if it was correct. And like I said, within a week, we were up and running.
The support's been great from all facets. Our original trainer was fantastic in terms of getting us where we needed to be. And our customer service rep, he's phenomenal. He's always there to answer my questions, and a text or a phone call away.
So at SalesEye, every one of us in the office is interested in making the customer better. We don't do anything else but make you better at sales. So if you're interested in doing that, you'll love SalesEye.
It's a game changer for us. The data and the power in having that at our fingertips is amazing. There's been an absolute 180. They said, I'd rather not have my phone with me than not have my iPad with my SalesEye data.